Hello everyone, welcome to Get 100 Marks. In today's class, we are going to discuss about virtual communities. What is a virtual community? A virtual community is a social network of individuals who connected through specific social media, potentially crossing geographical and political boundaries in order to pursue mutual interest or goals. Basically, it is a connection media which happens among the people who have a shared interest and that goes beyond the national and political boundaries. Some of the most pervasive virtual communities are online communities operating under social networking services like Facebook, Twitter, and WhatsApp. All these were some virtual communities we get grouped via internet. Virtual community could be understood using these key terms like virtual community, though the term virtual talks about internet and communication technologies, but it is obviously formed by a group of people and they come with a shared interest. People come together because of a common element which is going to be their interest, which is shared among everybody in the community. And interactions, creating and maintaining community and level of capital, social capital, norms, trust, and shared language. These were the different factors which they could discuss or interact in community. And using conversational technology, few examples for virtual community are forums, online chat rooms, specialized information communities, and email groups. Let's understand how this belongingness to a virtual communities happens. Initially, as an individual, we start with an expectation. We have some expectations from the community. Here we call it as a virtual community. How does this expectations can be explained? Few questions arises in our mind. Does the community fulfill my needs? If so, how it is going to fulfill my needs? And what is the uses? What are the uses with this community? How does it satisfy, gratify my needs? And what are the types of expected benefits from the community? After having these expectations and getting fulfilled with the expectation, it moves towards an activity. What does the community do? How do members interact? And what is my role in these activities? So we start thinking about the next level. Once my expectations and activities components are fulfilled, then I start feeling a part of a community, wherein I start feeling as a member in the community. I start identifying myself with the group, and feelings of efficacy will come out. I'll get immersed in the activities done in the community, getting information or emotional support from the members of the community. I start giving emotional support to others in the community and started building a relationship in the community itself. Later, from the sense of community, I'll go back, and that is how the communities get developed and the communities get uh, enhanced in different stages. Thank you.